Garlic. I am peeling the garlic for a bold, spicy base.
Fresh garlic. I'm mincing it very fine so the flavor spreads through the noodles.
Red chili flakes for heat. Green onion for freshness and color.
Soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Chili oil. Brown sugar. Black pepper. Sesame oil. I'm whisking until the sauce is smooth, balanced, and shiny. Boiling water, a little salt, and now the noodles go in.
I'm cooking the noodles just until tender, then they'll go straight into the spicy garlic sauce. Oil and butter. I'm building the flavor base before the garlic goes in.
Garlic and chili flakes. I'm frying them gently until fragrant, not too dark.
Now the sauce goes in. I'm letting it bubble gently so the garlic flavor melts into everything.
I'm stirring it gently until it becomes glossy, rich, and slightly thick.
The noodles are tender now. I'm lifting them straight into the sauce while they're still hot.
Hot noodles into the pan. This helps them absorb the spicy garlic sauce better.
I'm tossing until every strand is coated and shiny. A little noodle water makes the sauce smooth, glossy, and perfect for coating.
Green onion for freshness, color, and a clean finish. That's exactly what I want. Spicy, garlicky, glossy noodles with a fresh finish.
I'm plating the noodles high in the center for a clean restaurant-style look.
Extra sauce on top, a little more garlic, fresh green onion, and it's ready to serve.
I'm turning the bowl for the best light and the best final presentation.
I'm setting the scene so the dish looks clean, inviting, and ready to serve.
Let's bring it to the table while it's hot.
Spicy garlic noodles are ready. Let's serve and taste.
A little fresh green onion on top, and now it's ready to enjoy.
Spicy garlic noodles are ready. Let's serve and taste. Go ahead and taste. They're hot, garlicky, and full of flavor. That's my restaurant-style spicy garlic noodles, served hot and enjoyed together.